Great curassows can live up to 24 years, especially when in captivity. In the wild, their lifespan is generally shorter, ranging from 10 to 15 years. Despite this, some individuals in captivity have reached the age of 24 years, demonstrating the potential longevity these birds have under ideal conditions. Factors such as food availability, safety from predators, and medical care can influence the longevity of the great curassow. Captivity allows these birds to live longer with better protection and care, providing an opportunity to learn more about their life cycle. The great curassow is an impressive bird whose large size, rainforest life, and shy nature make it difficult to find. Its rare existence, especially a subspecies endemic to Cozumel Island, as well as its impressive lifespan in captivity, adds to the appeal and conservation importance of this species. The great curassow inhabits neotropical tropical rainforests, spanning an area from eastern Mexico through Central America to western Colombia and northwestern Ecuador. Its main habitat is forests, where these birds search for food and move among lush vegetation. Although often seen on the ground, great curassows also use trees for nesting. Rainforests provide abundant food sources for great curassows, including fruit, seeds, and insects. This rich environment supports their food and shelter needs, allowing these birds to thrive in their typical habitat. The great curassow is known as a shy bird and is very difficult to find. This shy nature makes him tend to avoid interaction with humans and prefers to hide in the forest. When threatened, this bird prefers to run into the forest rather than fly, which makes it even more difficult to observe. Hunting and habitat loss have also affected their shyness, making direct observations increasingly rare. Their stealthy existence and evasive habits make them a challenge for bird watchers and researchers who want to study this species in more depth.